Hello everybody, I'm Robert, this is Corvette World Dallas, and this is a Transformer. So this is a 2022 convertible Hypersonic Gray in a 2LT Z51. And you can see I dropped the top, hitting the unlock and pressing that button, and once it flashes, that tells me the process is done. So let me go ahead and start breaking this beauty down. So the color Hypersonic Gray, debuted in 2022, replacing the outgoing Shadow Gray, and would continue on until 2024 before it itself was replaced. This car has the body color exterior accent and vent package, so you can see instead of carbon flash, this here is in body color. We also have the stealth badge package as well, so essentially it's an all carbon flash badge instead of just parts of it with color. And I will note that this car also has some beautiful ACS composite aero pieces. So we have the 1VM carbon flash painted front splitter that you see there. And I'll get to it over here, but we also got the side skirts as well. But before we get to that, I'm sure right away everybody noticed the most obvious thing that you can't get on a modern C8 Corvette, and that is, of course, chrome wheels. And of course, these are the base chrome wheels, so you can see this is real chrome. These were done by Wheelcraft. So shout out to Ed, and see info down in the description below. Again, you can send their wheels out and have them done, and you can do this to any of the wheels. I've seen them do Tridents and the 20-spoke wheels as well, and I'm sure they've done some Z06 wheels, although now the newer Spider wheels come in a bright polish. But if you get a black wheel and you're like, I want to go chrome, you can send them out and have it done. In this case, this car had the base silver wheels, and they had them sent out. And I think the chrome goes really well with this color. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And then with it, I forgot to mention, they do have the black calipers with the Z51 logos. And then we have the ACS carbon flash mudguards front and rear. And then the 1VM aero, you can see the side skirt. It's long like the 5VM, but it doesn't have the raised wing inlet like the 5VM. So it's kind of I like to say it's similar to the C7 Stage 2 side skirt in the way it looks. I think it looks pretty good. It definitely is a beefy looking side skirt. Again, mudguards ACS in the rear. And we have the carbon flash high wing spoiler option. Obviously completing that aggressive look. But as you come to the rear here, you see we have the body color inlets. But we do have the chrome scroll as well. Now, again, it has a stealth badge up front, but you know what? They put a chrome fish here, so they changed it out, and they put a chrome tail here. So obviously you can see what they were going for. They're going for more of the chrome look. So between the body color accents and the exhaust and the badging and the wheels, kind of going classic. All right, to the trunk, convertible trunk, room for 2 medium-sized golf bags. We got our cargo net in place here. And again, as always, not interrupted by the convertible top at all. You always have the trunk space. Okay, on to the interior. So it's a 2LT, so we got our Mulan leather here with light gray stitching. And you can see here, we do not have the stealth interior package, but you can see we have what they call, I've seen these before, this is like a matte wrap over the speakers to give it a semi-stealth appearance package. We also have some aftermarket carbon fiber interior accenting that's been added. Again, this is aftermarket, it's not factory, but it's pretty well done, looks really good. The center console area is made to look very similar to the modern day level 2 carbon fiber interior package setup. And of course, we got our standard GT1 bucket seats, but it's a 2LT, so heated and ventilated lumbar side bolster controls as well. We also have the Jake all-weather floor mats on both sides. Onto the front, got a button right here in the middle of the driver's side headlight, upper vent area. That'll pop it open. And you can see, whoop, ad lib, somebody left cleaner in here, so you get a free can of cleaner. No, sorry about that. I got to chastise my detailer for that. But anyway, you can see we got our storage pouches here and the front license plate bracket that no one likes. The battery's stored here, and then we have the windshield washer fluid, brake fluid. And then when you're closing the front, you bring it right here, and 2 clicks to close. This 2022 Stingray Convertible has only 4,200 miles on it. We got it priced at $73,995. So to rehash, this is a 2LT Z51 Hypersonic Gray black interior convertible with magnetic ride. We have a high wing spoiler. We've got the full ACS 1VM aero kit with ACS mudguards and Wheelcraft chromed 5-spoke wheels. If you're interested in this beautiful Corvette convertible or any other Corvettes in my inventory, please see our info up in the corner and down in the description below. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think of the add-ons on this beautiful Corvette. hit that thumbs up button, hype button, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.